Probably won't catch anything today, but worth a try. It's been raining the past 4 days, I think. Probably rain again. The only thing I'm worried about is snakes in here. That's it. It's probably 5 feet deep right now. Or 4. Usually the hot spot is over there. There's nothing over there. I could be wrong. Oh my god. It's a snake over there. Went right across the water into those rocks. Just hate them. There it is. See it? It's moving. Oh well.
We're here live, 12 Mile Creek style. Jack Abrams using the classic cut tail worm from Bass Pro Shops Tournament Series. We really catch monster fish. 8-pounders at the best. Alright, not a good start for Jack Abrams. Jack Abrams fishing, Waxhaw, North Carolina. Using the cut tail worm from Bass Pro Shops Tournament Series. Okay. We're here fishing for about 5-pound bass. Okay. Got some great scenery around here, around these parts.
Take a break from this one. And we're gonna go. I'm gonna use a lure.
He's going to the lure, boys. Come back at us. We're here live, Jack Abrams fishing. He's using watermelon yellow crankbait. A depth of about 2 feet. We're fishing for about 5-pound bass here. So let's get to it.
Third cast. 4th. Not a good time.
All right, now I'm gonna be fishing here, and I'm using this
Wait, was it even on?
worm here, U-tail, red shade. Okay.
Red what? Watermelon red.
Watermelon red.
We love that watermelon red. Watermelon yellow.
Wondering if there's any fish here right now.
Derek supposedly got a bite. Derek, what did we tell you?
Derek, what did we tell you? No talking. Ruining our shots. Sorry, folks. Our lovely viewers. You have to witness that.
He doesn't normally act this way.
Oh, I just got a bite. got a huge bite, folks. That was about a 8-pounder. Yeah,
Use this one.
8-pound bite.
Hold on. This one. Isn't that pretty? Oh my god. Let's go to get over there.
Which way? Left or right?
Left.
Okay. LJ, I was just telling the fans here that how we're just waiting for that big cast, that big largemouth bass here.
Or big crappie.
Big, yeah. Or maybe like a turtle or two. Or like a hyena. We catch a couple hyenas every year. Derik over there is using a cricket. Doesn't work at all. His head's up his keister. Fish on.
Oh, that's a good bass. Dude, holy moly. Dude, get that, get that. Holy sugar.
Yeah! For the boys at home! For the boys at home! We did it! We did it! Alright.
Oh, crap!
Here it is, boys.
Dude. Derek, what did he say?
Here it,
Gut it!
here it is.
No, you're not gonna gut that.
No, get the measurement.
You're not gutting that.
Alright. Yeah, no, bass doesn't.
Dude, I'll kill you.
See if it's on the camera, LJ.
Holy crap.
You
that's
see that, boys?
amazing. That's perfect. I think that's
Put your mouth out. Put your finger on it.
0.13.
No, no, put your finger on it. Finger on it. Like, open the mouth as wide as you can. Say cheese. You're gonna get the scale out.
It's more than 0.13, LJ.
Probably
Oh, it's right in its eye.
What?
It went into its eye.
No, it didn't. Not totally. Just a little bit.
Poor bass. Perfect.
I thought you were gonna lose that thing. Right, come on now.
I thought it was a fake fish on.
Should I just get it in it? Because it's on pretty good. I don't think he's going to get it out.
Alright, put it in the water. Put it in the water. Wherever, whatever. Yeah.
I think I pulled it with that.
Here. Who is?
That's a pretty good size fish. Oh, we're Instagramming.
Pretty good size. You nuts?
That's at least a 7-pound.
I just don't want to lose it because I want to weigh it.
You're not gonna lose it.
Great size bass, boys.
Alright, here, pull it in.
Alright.
Not even a pound. It's 15.
Try it again. Try it again.
Oh, we put it on kilograms.
We'll
damn
get
it.
another one of you catching it. Or you holding it. Just take your thing out first.
You have to,
1.4.
1.4 pounds, boys.
Scale must be off. It's an 8-pounder.
It's an 8-pound.
We know it.
Here, now hold it up again when you get the thing out.
Oh my god, Derek, no. Push it. Push it as hard as you can. No, that's not what she said. Yeah.
Pretty fish. Pretty fish.
Hey,
Once
do you
again-
think that's the one
Once
that
again, boys. Zoom baits.
Best little.
Best love 'em.
They say.
Yeah, that's what they say on the box. Alright.
Where'd you catch that bad boy?
Right here.
Let's show the viewers where you caught that.
Alright, I'll show viewers one day.
It's going on YouTube. going on? Alright, where'd you... Just point to it. Matt, point to it.
It points that way, man.
It's that way?
Yeah.
Hey, really?
It's got another bite, boys.
Alright, somewhere over there. Like where that rock is. That you see.
This bait's only a couple bucks here. North Carolina.
Hey.
A 20 pack I think costs $4.
Okay.
So it's great, man. Around there, I don't know. So now I hold the record for this creek. Biggest fish caught.
Hey, scale. On the scale.
On this recorded.
On this recorded.
Recorded.
Man.
Here's this again. Still fishing. I just caught that monster fish. That 8-pounder.
Matt, do you think that fish is the same one that I caught, or didn't catch, but it got in its mouth?
I don't know. It could be.
I think it is.
Good thing I actually had a good knot on this.
Try not to use.
This one that look. I just used a knot that looked cool.
That look cool?
Setting records here, boys. Oh, I thought you had a fish.
Oh no.
Did I say fish on when I caught it?
I think so.
That's good. What's that guy's name on River Monsters? It's not Steve. Alright, well, looks like I've been caught, boys. Some fishing line. No, seriously, how do we get out of this?
That was yarn. Fishing yarn.
Fishing yarn here.
Wait, did you fish salmon?
Yeah.
Did it need fixing or not really?
Yeah, I was pointing at the
Again, we're like falling. Go over there.
Jack Abrams is gonna hit the bricks and go across the creek there. Start fishing over there. She doesn't like us very well, viewers.
He's only joking, of course. I just gotta retrieve crankbait that I lost. Here comes Tryhard Man.
We're falling.
Tryhard Man. Well, see you folks later.
Good luck, LJ. Go get him.
Thank you.
Yeah. What? No, it's right here.
Matt,
What?
bring the camera.
No.
No?
No.
No?
Yeah.
I should or should not?
I don't care.
Guys, my tip broke.
Derek's tip broke. Welcome to the club, Derek.
My dad's gonna kill me.
Derek,
Yeah.
start talking. Never mind.
Okay. LJ, my tip broke.
What?
My tip broke.
Your tip?
Yeah.
Welcome to the club.
That's what I said.
Back on.
What?
Is there any way I can get it back on?
Glue it?
Remember?
Yeah.
Is that what you did?
No. Depends where you broke it.
Figure out the,
Was it just the tip, or did it have like the?
that part of the pole.
Yeah. You probably can't fix that.
Oh, we can't?
Matt, did you take me raccoon? You can't.
There's a big beast over there. Look at it. Shit, let go.
The snake. Right here.
Look at that crazy man.
How'd you get over
Right here.
Look at that crazy man.
Go over there.
Crawling around rocks for fishing. Dedication. Dedication.
I had to climb this mountain.
Who's this man? Covering up the whole camera. That's Derek Vasquez. Hey, Derek Vasquez.
Dude, I can't believe my freaking tip broke. I have to figure out how to get that back on. My dad's gonna kill me.
Why? It's yours.
No, it's not. I'll probably.
Then you're screwed.
Yeah. It's my dad. Alright, you guys just catch a fish and I'll gut it.
You're not gonna get it.
Yeah, I am.
We just caught one. Why didn't you get it then?
Because it was a bass. There's no taste good.
Derek, we're gonna get like 9 million dislikes because you're gutting it.
Derek, we're gonna get 9 million dislikes because you're in it.
Screw you.
Wait, is this still on?
Yeah. Excuse me, Heavy G.
Are you sitting here?
Yeah.
Sit aside.
No, that's my spot, dude. What does this guy think he's doing? We're out here.
Give me a log.
This would have been a perfect nature scene. If I could shot over here.
Oh, a nice Instagram photo.
Dude, I'm never getting these poles again.
What?
Because me and you have the same pole, and both our tips broke, and Derek has the same pole.
Wait, Derek has the same
Yeah,
one?
I
Yeah.
do.
Really?
Yeah. I know. I'm gonna write a letter.
Yeah, I need to buy a new pole. I'll probably buy one.
Make better tips. Eight. Yeah, but they're also ultralight poles. They're not meant for heavy stuff.
Alright, boys. If you're looking for a fishing pole, do not buy the Berkeley cherry wood. Do not.
Like,
Freaking sucks.
If
eh?
you do, we will find you. And we will tell you you shouldn't have bought that pole.
And Burbo will eat you.
It's a silly investment.
Did I do it?
get the ugly stick.
Did I do it?
Oh shoot!
Oh dang, you almost fell in.
The ugly stick.
Should I do it? One quick one?
Ugly stick is $30. It hasn't let me down. Where is that?
If you are gonna buy a survival knife, buy the Gerber Bear Grylls Ultimate Knife. It's got a nice sturdy knife, nice butt on the back of it for hammering. Real good blade, real good blade. Endorsed by Bear Grylls. It's got its nice own little fire starter here. Show you guys that real quick. It's a nice flick of the wrist.
There, this is why you don't talk.
And
Derek, what did we tell you about not talking?
goes in the watertight sheath it's got going on here. The knife is really easy accessible, and then if you want to actually flip it over here,
Oh god.
you got a knife sharpener for your knife.
Oh god.
And then
Great.
on the back, you got your Bear Grylls Pocket Survival Guide
Derek, no one cares.
and all these different kinds
This is
of
a
tips and
fishing
tricks,
show,
tips and
Derek.
tricks.
This isn't knives.
We gut our fish with these.
No, we don't.
Yes, we
I've never gutted a fish in my life.
I have.
You haven't?
I was like 5.
Stop, I want the sun to come out. Derek?
It's got these nice holes to tie up to a stick, and you can use it as a spear. I've done that before. It was actually really
You gotta be kidding.
Alright boys, I'm gonna go to my secret fishing spot. Derek, feel free not to follow me.
Here, Matt, you want it?
Yeah, I'm gonna drink it.
You are?
No? You psychopath. So long, boys.
Fish on! This one's big!
Oh crap! It is.
Dude! Matt, it might be bigger than yours.
Yeah, it's bigger.
Holy
Here.
LJ!
Oh,
Oh my god!
LJ, hold that big sucker up.
Dude!
Matt, he got a big one.
LJ, I'm gonna kill you.
How do I zoom, LJ?
God, it's heavy. Oh my god, it's big.
LJ, can we gut it? LJ, how do you zoom with this thing?
I'm shivering right now. Oh my god. Stop flapping! I am, it flaps. Do it, LJ. Alright, come down.
LJ, is there a zoom on this?
Yes.
That looks like an 8-pounder.
Where?
Ah! Scares the dickens out of me. That's to you, Grandpa.
That's you. Dude, we can't even see it.
You can zoom in.
I have.
There's a camera in my bag.
Oh. Oh. Oh, that is a big one. Alright, LJ, now we got you.
Check if there's something in its eye. On the right eye.
No, it's not. This one's lighter. It's got crap on the side.
Look at this kid.
This is nice.
What are you using? Crankbait?
Yeah, this black one. 1.12.
What was yours, Matt?
1.4.
Yeah, 1.12. That a boy, LJ. Wait, 1.4. That's more.
No, it's not.
Then 1.12? Yes, it is. 1.04?
1 pound 4 ounces. His is
Oh.
1 pound 12 ounces.
How much is
LJ,
it?
take a
How many
picture.
ounces are in a pound?
Well, it's still alive. Of course, my finger has to be jammed, so it's hard to take it out. Okay, it's not bleeding anymore.
This is like Satan's skiing slope.
Where'd you guys go down at?
Bend over, I'll show you. Sure.
Yeah. Here's let's take pictures. Alright guys, how do I get down from here?
Okay, you don't have to get down. We don't want you.
Yeah, we don't need anyone
What?
Dude, this is a monster. This is America for you. Yeah, that's when I start to freak out.
Guys, I made it.